Hey guys, we exploded TNT at like a random desert thing, a village. Yeah. It was actually really big. It was so laggy. So, like, what happened was I had an idea. Me and my brother were playing. Like, imagine we exploded this huge TNT around the village. And like, okay, we're gonna make a box around the village. We fill it in. We don't fill it in though. Um, yeah, you will just see. I hope you liked the video. So, peace out, guys. I was gonna do a before and after picture, but all the pictures, yeah, they kind of like corrupted or something. Like they're not saved. Well, I guess this is after it exploded. God, that's whoa! What? That's actually so insane. There used to be a village here, but like we exploded it because we wanted to. We were kind of bored. So I hope you guys liked that. I mean, it was kind of laggy, so I don't know how you should enjoy that, but like, peace out. We only saved one picture from before.